guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be potting up this beautiful truck that my sister-in-law found for me at a yard sale for 50 cents. And I'll be using this beautiful cactus right here. And I was trying to go for a desert look. This one and this one. I'm not too sure about this one because it's a little flimsy, so we'll see if she can stay. I don't like wearing gloves because I like feeling stuff with my hands, but I have to because of this little prickly guy right here. Hopefully I stay in focus the whole time. I just need a container to throw the dirt in. Sorry about that. So I'm just trying to get these roots and trim them down a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okie dokie. We did that. Let's bring back our Ford over here. Oh, and I drilled the holes myself with the drill bit into a diamond bit. That one was sorry guys about that. It was pretty easy to drill the holes. I don't know holes. This wasn't like that difficult, you know, ceramic. Hold on, I forgot my mesh. Will that cover both? Yeah, it's good enough. Just try to put the dirt right there where it won't fall. I don't know if this is gonna work out the way I'm thinking. I'm not sure. It's very shallow, so we'll just see. These gloves, the little needles still come through the gloves. Even though I'm questioning this fitting in here, I'm still gonna do it. I'll just keep an eye on it. As long as it doesn't die, then I'm okay with it being here. I'm not looking for growth in this. I just want it to survive and look pretty. So we'll see. I'll give you guys an update. Today is Labor Day, and we'll see. I don't know, in a month, I guess. We'll see how it's doing. I'll try to pack it with as much soil as I can. Compress it down. You can always fit more after you water. And I will be watering this one because I didn't water these plants on purpose because I knew that I was going to plant them up. He's falling, but I'll fix him in a little bit. Oh, the neighbor's dog is barking. Okay. This is going to be very packed in here. Can't get it to stay. Okay, I have clean hands for this guy right here. Which way I want him to face. I like this side. Okay. Oh goodness, guys, I'm so sorry that the dog is barking in the background. You know, it was raining earlier. I was set up to do this earlier. Then it started raining because it's been raining all day here for 3 days straight. And I was here earlier setting this up because there was a break in the rain, and then it started raining again, so I had to go back inside and wait. And then now the doggy's barking. So I'm just pressing down in the dirt. Okay, a little too hard there. Okay. Yeah, I've been wanting, I have some planters that I want to plant up, and they're going to be outside obviously, to do some experiments with, you know, how they do with my weather, you know, different plants and what I already have on the fences. But I don't think right now is a good time. We have a lot of rain coming, at least so far this month. What I see them reporting, it looks like a lot of rain. Okay guys, let's see, I have some rock over here that I want to put in here. Let me get a little shovel. So help me place the rock better than trying to grab it in my hands. I'm just using the rocks so that I can place some sand in there, and hopefully when I water it, you know, the dirt doesn't come up. This guy is so flimsy, you need some rocks. I got these rocks. These are from DR, from the when we went to the waterfall. When we rode the horses and went to the waterfall. I think that will look good there. And maybe this one here. I might have to scoop some of this stuff out so that it's more secure. So I'm gonna have to remove some of this rock that I just worked hard to put on there. Yeah, I don't know if I can make this go down more, because maybe I should stand it up. Maybe it looks good. Maybe it'll look good there like that. Okay, put some of this rock back there. Okay, I like how this is heading. Okay, I like how it's going. Now let's see if I can do my sand without making a mess everywhere. This sand I found at the Dollar Tree. And I don't mind some of the rocks peeking through. It's fine. gotta tap, 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 tap. And then maybe after you water it, you might have to put in more sand, so that's okay. Oh goodness, I gotta watch what I'm doing here. Pushing it down my finger. I'm tempted to blow, and I have to remind myself, don't blow, you're gonna blow all the sand away. I just want this edge to look really good. Pushing it in with my nail here, like that. Okay. Need to get into here. I might need to use the brush here for that frame. Yeah. Just picking the stuff out that I see doesn't want to hide. And it's okay if the rocks, if you can see the rocks, that's fine. What you don't want to see is the dirt. At least I don't, right? Okay. I have to say this bag has gone a long way. I did the big cactus arrangement with the same bag. With the same bag from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure this is like maybe $3 or more at Michael's. Okay, I really like it. I like that I used the big rocks. Okay, I'm gonna need to find the brush. Didn't find my brush, but my tweezers will do right here. Use the end of this to just go ahead and scoot that sand in there. I still need the brush though to like brush stuff off, so we'll see how I'm gonna do that. And it's good, the tweezers, to pick stuff off that you need to pick off. almost blew. So used to blowing. Sammy? Sam? Sam. Come here, Sam. Maybe I can shove a little bit of sand in there. With this little flat shovel, I might lose a lot of the sand. There we go, that worked. That worked. Okie dokie. I should have cleaned the cactus before I did that, like remove some of the dirt that was stuck on it at the base. Just add more sand. Now I'm just being picky, guys. Oh goodness. Now I got sand on the cactus. I don't want that. Okay. I think I'm done. I just gotta clean it up. The dirt that's around the pot, and then I'll take some pictures. I'll show you up close and take some pictures. Here it is, guys. Gonna try to take some pictures real quick before it rains so that you guys can see it really well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.